Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create pop-up cutout transitions in your videos on CapCut. So first, just add the clips you want to edit and then click on a second clip and then go to the beginning and freeze the frame. So find the freeze option, this one. Then make this freeze frame as overlay like this, trim it and then put it under the first clip, the end of the first clip. Click on the freeze frame and go to Cutout. Click on the customize cutout and then remove the background. So I'm going to just use the quick brush like this, and then just click on a check icon, and now the background has been removed. You can see. Now add keyframes at the start of the freeze frame and the end. Then move the clip out of frame on the first keyframe. So I'm going to lower it like this until it doesn't show on the screen. Then after that, go to in between the keyframes and go to grab, select the ease in one. Okay, now you are done, and here the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to comment, click on the thumbs up icon, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.